Hello guys, Edwin here. Today I'm going to be talking about MYRIAD markets. Okay, so what is MYRIAD? MYRIAD is the interconnected media ecosystem that integrates on-chain prediction markets and Quest alongside written and video content. Okay, so all you have to do is visit the MYRIAD markets websites, predict and earn. Okay, this is completely free. Okay, and they have confirmed an airdrop. Okay, and they just integrated this feature where you can deposit USDC on the abstract chain. Okay, you use your abstract wallet, but we are here for the free stuff. Okay, so let's get into the video. Okay, so you need the myriad market extension. Okay, make sure you download the myriad market extension. I'll be leaving the link in the description below. Okay, after you have downloaded your extension, make sure you pin it here. Okay, you pin it on your extensions tab. Okay, you pin the extension right here. So after you are done with that, head over to Myriad Market and set up your profile. Okay, you need to set up your profile. Make sure you also do your daily checking. So bookmark the site. You can add it to your airdrop list or anything. Okay, you can see how I have done mine. This is mine. I have daily checking 1, daily checking 2, daily checking 3. So you just have to add it to your daily checking. Okay, every day when you open your PC, you just click on the website, you do your daily checking. Okay, so after you have downloaded the extension and visited the site, make sure you create an account right here. Click on this button. You'll be taken to your profile section. Okay. So when you get here, make sure you link your Twitter account, you link your email, okay, and you connect your wallet. Okay. You connect your wallet. When you connect your wallet, you'll be taken to Abstract, and Abstract will let you connect your MetaMask wallet. But Abstract has their own wallet they assign to you. But don't worry, that wallet is linked to your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so anytime you get to the Abstract site, just log in with your MetaMask wallet and your account will be linked. Okay, Abstract has their own type of wallets which is linked to your MetaMask wallet once you log in the Abstract website. Okay, so you come here, you create your account. Creating your account will let you get points. You need points to interact. Okay, you need points to predict and earn. Okay, you can see you can predict and earn points here. I just started this today, and this are some of the markets I predicted. Okay, so you need more points, and you have to make sure you earn a lot of points. You can get up to 12,400 points every day. Okay, so head over to the end section. Once you are done creating your profile, okay, head over to the end section. Make sure you complete as many as possible tasks as you can. Okay, make sure you complete all these tasks. Okay, complete a lot of these tasks. And I don't think a lot of people are on this. I just signed up today and my rank is already 28k, which is not a lot, but you can see how underfarmed this is, even though they've confirmed an airdrop. Okay, so you can also check the leaderboard. Okay, you earn points by interacting with this. You earn points, you read news. Okay, I'll be showing you all that. Okay, so you can also claim your limbo points every 24 hours. Okay, make sure you claim this your limbo points every 24 hours. Do your daily checking. You need points to predict. Okay, you need points to predict, and you earn points by completing this task. Okay, you can come to Decrypt. You complete the task here. Okay, complete the task. If you click on news, you are going to see most of these tasks. Let me show you. So you need points to predict. Okay, let's go ahead and complete one task right here. Okay, let's do this one. So once the task you want to complete is open, you need to make sure your extension is connected. Okay, you open your extension and connect your MYRIAD extension. You just have to log in your profile. Okay, you log in your profile, just click login and the profile will be logged in. Okay, so after doing this, all you have to do is let's wait for the extension to log us in. So once the task you want to complete is open, just make sure you open your extension. Okay, and link your profile. Also, don't forget that you link your profile. You just have to log in your myriad profile. Okay, so all you have to do is click on news. Okay, you can earn points by reading news or completing task on the end section. Okay, you need earn points from here or by reading the news. Just come here and scroll down. Okay. Okay, just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this meter bar filling up. Okay, just scroll down, scroll down. You don't even have to read. Okay, you can see we are done. Just collect your points right after you scroll down. Okay, so remember, you need points to predict markets. Okay, you predict market, you bet with your points. Okay, and this is completely free. Okay, you can see it's telling me to log in my extension. The extension is not fully functional. Okay, you can see it's now popping up. So after you have earned your points right here, you need to head over to markets. Okay, you head over to markets and start predicting. Okay, you need to predict here. You can skip this one. This ones require real funds. Okay, but you can skip them. Okay, they just give you extra points. Okay, so when you predict with real funds, the USDC, you get times 100 of your points. Okay, so you just come here and predict any of this. Okay, let's go ahead and predict anyone. Okay, so let's click on this. Okay, after clicking on it, make sure you complete your profile. Okay, once you set up your profile, you're going to be getting about 10,000 points. Okay, which you can use for betting. So click on the market you want to predict. Okay, I want to predict Hamilton. Then you set the number of points you want to bet. I want to bet 500 points on Hamilton. Okay, wait for it to load and go ahead and place our bets. Okay, so confirm. Okay, wait for it to confirm. You can see all your bets in your profile section. Okay, you can hear you scroll down. You can see these are the bets I have open. And if you think you have made some profits of your points, you can go ahead and sell them. Okay, this is very easy. Just try to earn as many points as you can. Okay, so that's all for now. All you have to do is, like I said, come to the end section, complete task. Make sure you log in daily and claim your limbo points every 24 hours. Okay, claim your limbo points every 24 hours. You engage here with your Twitter, you read news. Okay, you read news and you claim your points daily. Okay, and this is very underfarmed. This is very underfarmed. Not a lot of users are on it, so you can get an edge here and rack up as many points as you can. Okay, so make sure you join our Telegram for updates too. Thank you for watching. Peace.